My first food job after a series of lemonade stands in the driveway was as a sandwich artist at Subway, but I think that was actually before they were called sandwich artists. My favorite condiment, I find a way to make an emulsification for so many things, but it always has some mustard in it, and so I have to say that my favorite condiment is Dijon mustard. My team inspires me. I think watching folks learn how to do new things and having the opportunity to learn from them, but also being a part of a time where it's so important for our culture in restaurants to be elevated. I'm just so inspired by what the folks around me do every day. If I weren't cooking, I think I might have found my way into something design related, possibly architecture. My favorite junk food is the tater tot because you can dress it up or dress it down. My go-to karaoke song is, without question, The Gambler by Kenny Rogers. My tip for making pimento cheese would be lots of acid. I love to roast the peppers myself, marinate them in cider vinegar, and then to make the mayonnaise out of that cider vinegar. If it's my last weekend on Earth, I'm eating in Raleigh, North Carolina, my favorite city to eat in. My advice to young chefs would be, first, I think, patience, but being confident in your worth and negotiating for it. My favorite drink is probably the Negroni, but while cooking, I love a nice crisp glass of white wine, but not while cooking professionally, just at home.